Hello, good morning, children. This is Sadish sir. We are seeing class 11 NCERT syllabus Newton laws of motion. Total you have 14 chapters in class 11. This is third chapter, most important chapter. That is why I started with Newton laws of motion. Then after we will see units and dimensions. Then after physical world. Physical world is very simple chapter. Only 1 hour video. And units and dimensions is very lengthy, very important chapter and easy chapter. Newton laws of motion already you read in 8th class and 9th class and 10th class. So that I started in depth Newton laws of motion I am teaching in depth. In this session already 4 videos are completed. In 4 videos we saw Newton first law, second law and third law. And Newton second law we did so many problems. Some more extra problems I brought today. These problems are completely related on Newton's second law, pulley related problems. Observe children, this is a fixed pulley. This is fixed pulley. This is also fixed pulley. These two pulleys are fixed with one string with two different masses. This is 5 kg mass, this is 2 kg mass. 5 kg mass is on a smooth polished surface. 2 kg mass is simply hanging in air. So definitely 2 kg comes down. Whenever 2 kg comes down, 5 kg moves, accelerates in forward direction. Tension is string is same, tension is same. Tension is always away from the point. Tension will be away from 5 kg. Similarly, same tension will be applied by pulley on 5 kg. This is tension in this direction. This is tension acts by pulley on this string. This is tension acts by pulley on this string. So these two are equal and opposite. So observe children, same acceleration is applies throughout the string. Now I will write free body diagrams. Here we have to find the tension and acceleration of the system. What is tension, what is acceleration we have to find. First write FBD diagram of 2 kg for 2 kg. Make 2 kg as a point mass. Weight downwards, 2g downwards, and what is upwards? Tension. Tension is upwards, 2g is downwards. Now observe children, what is FBD diagram? Net force is equal to MA. What is the formula? Net force is equal to MA. What is net force? Greater force minus lower force. Greater force, it is coming down. So 2G minus T is equal to M into A. This is equation number 1. First free body diagram. This is not a free body diagram. It is on the surface, smooth surface. So directly we can write for 5 kg, T is equal to MA. There is no other force. MA is 5A. Equation number 2. Solve these two. Add these two equations. T cancel. 2G is equal to 7A. A is equal to 2G by 7 or 20 by 7. G value 10 substitute 10 2s are 20 by 7 meter per second square. I got acceleration. That means this string is accelerating 20 by 7 meter per second square. Tension is equal to, substitute in second equation, 5A. 5 into 20 by 7. 25s are 100 by 7. Tension is Newton. This is tension, this is acceleration. Simple problem. This is what a pulley related problem. Copy it. Next problem we will see. See children, see this problem. Here, this is what ceiling. This is fixed pulley. This is movable pulley. This is movable pulley. Now 1 kg mass is hanged to movable pulley and 2 kg mass is suspended to fixed pulley. Find the tension and acceleration. First of all, note down how many tensions are present. This is what single string. This is one string. String is same, tension is same. String is same, tension is also same. So tension is always away from the point. So tension will be in this direction. Here tension will be downwards. Here tension will be downwards and tension will be upwards. Why? Because this is the tension acts by pulley on this string. This is the tension acts by pulley on this string. These two are equal and opposite according to Newton third law. Similarly, this is tension T. This is tension T. Whenever T and T, two tensions are present in this tension, so definitely here tension will be 2T. Why? Because string is different. String changes, tension also changes. 2 times of tension is applied on 1 kg and one tension Newton is applied on 2 kg. weight is always downwards, 2g downwards, this is 1 kg, so 1g downwards, weight always acts towards the center of the earth. Now what will happen, we will see free body diagram. Before going to see, let us consider this 1 kg is going up, it is like this. Let us consider this 1 kg is going upwards, that means this is the acceleration of this body is upwards. If it accelerates upwards, 1 meter per second, if goes up, what will happen? 1 meter plus 1 meter, this comes 2 meter downwards. Is it right or not? If 1 meter, 1 kg goes 1 meter upwards, if this pulley goes 1 meter upwards, this pulley comes 2 meter downwards. That means if acceleration of 1 kg is 1 meter, acceleration of 2 kg will be downwards. If 1 kg goes up, 2 kg comes down. If 1 meter goes up, 2 meter comes down. Why? Because here two strings are present. So here displacement will be sum of displacements of these two strings. Now observe carefully FBD diagram for 2 kg. What is FBD 2 kg? Tell me. 2 kg FBD free body diagram. 2g downwards, tension upwards, it is sliding downwards, so this is greater force, this is lower force. Net force 2g minus t, F is equal to ma, net force 2g minus t is equal to m into m is 2, a is nothing but 2a. One more simplification, 2g minus t is equal to nothing but 4a. This is equation number 1. Now come to this one, FBD free body diagram for 1 kg. 1 kg what will happen? Make it 1 kg free, take it as a point mass. Whatever the big object, you take it as a point mass. 1 kg, 1g downwards, and tension, what tension? 2t tension upwards. So it is going up, this is greater force, this is lower force. So F net is equal to 2t minus g is equal to ma. M is nothing but 1 into a. This is equation number 2. If you solve these two, you will get tension. I will do here. Okay. This I will draw. See children. Here 2t is there, here 1t is there. This total equation I am multiplying with 2. So 4g minus 2t is equal to 8a. This is 2t minus g is equal to a. Add these two, 2t cancel. 4g minus 1g, 3g is equal to 9a. From this a is equal to what will happen? 3g by 9. 3 1s, 3 3s. So g by 3 is the acceleration of the system. That means this pulley goes up with g by 3 acceleration and this pulley comes down 2g by 3. This acceleration of 2 kg is 2g by 3. Why? Because it is multiplied by 3. 2g by 3 acceleration comes downwards. This is g by 3 upwards. 1 kg is going up with g by 3 acceleration. 2 kg is coming downwards with 2g by 3 acceleration. We got acceleration g by 3. Now we need tension. Substitute in tension, simple. Substitute into 2t minus g is equal to a. 2t minus g is equal to a, g by 3. This minus g comes to this side plus g. 2t is equal to what? G by 3 plus g. From this what will happen? 2t is equal to 3g plus 1g, 4g by 3. T is equal to 4g by 6. 2 1, 2 2, so 2 3. So that means 2g by 3 Newton. This is the tension acts on the string. This is the tension acts on the first string. Second string 4g by 3. Why? Because it is multiplied by 2. So the tension of the second string is 4g by 3. First string is 2g by 3. This is also another important problem. This is what a movable pulley, related to movable pulley. Very easy problem. You have to practice once. 2g by 3 is the tension acts on the first string and 4g by 3 is the tension acts on the second string. Note down children. See children, how to do shortcut of movable pulley. Shortcut, see how to do shortcut. One, this is a ceiling, this is a pulley. This pulley is a movable pulley. This is a movable pulley. These are two masses. Here this is 1 kg mass. Let us consider this is 2 kg mass. Pulley is going upwards. This is acceleration of the pulley. Pulley is going up. 1 kg, what will happen? 1 kg, let us consider acceleration of 1 kg is going up, acceleration of second pulley is coming down. This is what, let us consider one system is like this. One pulley is going up and one pulley is coming, one pulley is going up, one body is sliding downwards, one body is going up. Observe children, acceleration of the pulley is equal to formula average of these two accelerations, A1 plus A2 by 2. This is the formula to find acceleration of the movable pulley. Acceleration of the movable pulley is equal to acceleration of first body plus acceleration of second body by 2. Sir, then which acceleration is positive, which acceleration is negative? Which body is going up? Which body is going up? Upward thrown acceleration is always positive. Remember, downward acceleration is always negative. If you remember these two, you can solve any problem easily. Acceleration of movable pulley. Acceleration of movable pulley is positive. Acceleration upwards is positive. Acceleration of movable pulley downwards is negative. Acceleration of fixed pulley. What is acceleration of fixed pulley? 0. Remember these 5 terms. Any problem you can solve. This body is going up. Take acceleration is positive. So A1 is positive. This body is coming, 2 kg is coming down, that means A2 is negative. Pulley is going up, acceleration of the pulley is positive. Substitute here, you will get the formula. Pulley, acceleration of the pulley positive, A1 is positive minus A2 is negative by 2. Why? Because A2 is minus, minus into plus minus. So acceleration of pulley is equal to A1 minus A2 by 2. This is standard formula with sign. With sign. Sign compulsory, otherwise this problem will be wrong. If you take sign, then only correct. With sign, correct. Understand children? Once again I am repeating. This is a movable pulley. This is a movable pulley. This pulley is hanged to ceiling. Pulley is going up. One string is suspended over a pulley and it is attached with two masses, 1 kg and 2 kg. 2 kg is coming downwards with acceleration 2. 1 kg is going up with acceleration 1. Then what will happen? If acceleration of the pulley formula, sum of accelerations by total number of accelerations. 2 accelerations are there, so denominator 2, sum of acceleration A1 plus F2. But you need to apply sign convention. So upward body, upward acceleration is positive, downward acceleration is negative. A1 is going upward, so I took positive. A2 is coming downward, so it is negative, and the pulley is going up, so positive. Understand children? Suppose pulley is coming down, so then you have to apply minus AP. One more example we will say, then you will be it will be clear for you. One problem we will say. Note down. See children, see this problem. This is movable pulley. This is fixed pulley. Here this is movable pulley. This is fixed pulley. Pulley is going upwards. But in which direction it is going? Only one, because of this pulley is going because of only one string. Here string is fixed. So here acceleration is 0. That means first acceleration will be 0. Only this pulley is going up. This pulley is going up because of this pulley. That means it is accelerating downwards with A. This pulley is accelerating with A2 is equal to A. Let us consider acceleration of this string is A. This string is 0. Now what is the acceleration of the movable pulley? Movable pulley, what is the formula? A1 plus A2 by 2 with sign. Pulley is going up. Going up means positive. Acceleration of the pulley is equal to acceleration of the first string 0 plus acceleration of the second string A. Going up, so positive, by 2. That means acceleration of the pulley is equal to A by 2. This is the formula to find acceleration of the pulley. Ask how to find the acceleration of the string. Acceleration is equal to 2 into AP. That means 2 body is coming 2 times of acceleration of the pulley. If pulley goes 1 meter, 2 kg comes 2 into acceleration of the pulley. How do you get 2 into AP? Simple. One string is fixed. So the acceleration of this string is 0. Acceleration of this string is upwards. So it is going with A acceleration. If it is 0, if it is A, what will happen? Same string, same acceleration. No? Here also same acceleration present, A plus A. So total with 2A acceleration of the pulley, it comes down. This is very important children. Acceleration of movable pulley is equal to A1 plus A2 by 2 with sign. Note down. Let's see children, see this problem. Here these are two fixed pulleys. These are two fixed pulleys. This is movable pulley. I will draw somewhat big diagram. These are two fixed pulleys. It is attached to one wall. Now this is what movable pulley. It is 1 kg mass is suspended to movable pulley. Now find the acceleration of the pulley and find the tension of the string. This is what a question. Now observe children. Here 3 kg tension is away from this point. Here also tension is away from this point. Here tension downwards. Here tension. This is tension downwards. Here tension will be upwards. Tension will be upwards, tension will be downwards. Two equal and opposite forces acting on the body. Here also tension downwards. Here also these two also equal and opposite. Tension this side, tension this side. According to Newton's third law, equal and opposite forces. If it is tension, here in this string tension T, in this tension T, then the total tension in this 1 kg will be 2T. Now first of all we will find the acceleration of the pulley. How to find the acceleration of the pulley? A1 plus A2 by 2 with sign. First of all we will find the acceleration of this pulley. What is the acceleration of the pulley? We will find. This string is fixed to this wall. So acceleration here is 1. A1 is 0. Let us consider this is A2. A2 is coming in this direction. If this body comes, automatically this body also slides down now. So this string is also comes down. That means this body is also coming down. So acceleration of the pulley downwards. Downwards means which symbol we have to take? Minus AP is equal to. Understand children? If a body comes down, negative sign. If a body goes up, acceleration will be positive. Acceleration of 1. What is acceleration of 1? Fixed string 0 plus A2. A2 is going in downward direction. So A2 is also negative. So minus A2 by 2. Acceleration of the pulley is equal plus into minus A2 by 2. A2 is nothing but let us consider A. Acceleration of the second string is A. A by 2 minus cancel. AP is equal to A by 2. That means A is equal to 2 into AP. Acceleration of the string is equal to 2 times of pulley. Let us consider if it comes 1 meter per second square downwards, it comes 2 meter per second square in this horizontal direction. That means acceleration of this string is double than the acceleration of the pulley. That is the meaning of this sentence. Understand children? Acceleration of the pulley is, let us consider it is A. Then it will be 2A. If acceleration of the pulley is equal to A meter per second square, then acceleration of this pulley will be, what will happen? A2 is equal to 2 into AP. 2A. It will be 2A. Understand children? Very important. Now, if you know these two accelerations, directly you can write now. Directly I will write a free body diagram for this. What is free body diagram? FBD of what? 1 kg. 1 kg FBD. 1g downwards, 2t upwards. It is coming downwards. So 1g minus 2t, greater force minus lower force. It is coming downwards means this weight is more than this weight now. So 1g minus 2t is equal to ma. M is 1 into A is nothing but acceleration of the pulley A. So g minus 2t is equal to A. Equation number 1. G minus 2t is equal to what? A. This is equation number 1. Now second, free body diagram of 3 kg. 3 kg directly you can write. What is the 3 kg? Tell me. There is no external forces acting on that. So F is equal to ma. F is equal to what? F is equal to ma. F means what? T is equal to m into A. A is nothing but 2A. So directly I am writing T is equal to 6A. If you solve these two, you will get the equation. I will rub this side. Understand children? Solve these two. Here 2 is not there. So both sides I am multiplying with 2. 2t, this will be 12a. So if you add these two, what will happen? 2t cancel, g is equal to 13a, a is equal to g by 13 meter per second square. This is the answer for acceleration of a pulley. A means what? Acceleration of the pulley. That means the pulley is coming g by 13 meter per second square. In which direction? Downward direction. This is nothing but 2 into a, 2g by 13. In which direction? This is an horizontal direction. 2g by 13 meter per second square. This is g by 13 meter per second square. From this you can find t value also. T is equal to 6a from second equation. 2t is equal to 12a means t is equal to 6a. T is equal to 6 into a is nothing but g by 13. 6g by 13 is the tension in this first string. First string tension is 6g by 13. Second g multiply with 12. So tension in first string, tension in second string, 12g by 13 Newton. This is what tension T2, 2t. 2t is nothing but 2 into T1. T1 means 12g by 13. Tension in this string is 12g by 13. First string is 6g by 13. Understand, children? Very simple problem. Once again I am repeating. Two pulleys are fixed. One string is attached to, one string is fixed here, another string is attached to 3 kg, and these two strings are suspended over a movable pulley. And 1 kg mass is suspended to a movable pulley. Now we have to find the tension and acceleration of both the strings. A very simple phenomena. First of all, find the acceleration of the pulley. We know that acceleration of the pulley is equal to a1 plus a2 by 2. Acceleration of the pulley, a1 is 0, a2 is coming downwards, so a2 is nothing but I am considering it as a, downwards, a by 2. AP is equal to a by 2 means a is equal to 2 into ab. Let us consider the acceleration of the pulley is a, then it will be 2a. If it is, so acceleration of the pulley is half of the acceleration of the 3 kg string. If you consider it as a, this will be 2a. So free body diagram of 1 kg free body diagram, what will happen? Greater force, F net is equal to ma. F net is equal to ma. F net is means greater force minus lower force. 1g minus 2t is equal to ma, 1a. So g minus 2t is equal to a. From this equation there are no other forces. F is equal to ma. F is t. T is equal to m into a. M is 3 into a. F is equal to ma. F is nothing but tension. M is 3 into a is 2a. T is equal to 6a. T is equal to 6a. I want 2t now. So both sides I multiply with 2t. 2t is equal to 12a. 2t cancel. G is equal to 13a. A is equal to g by 13. That means acceleration of the pulley is g by 13. Acceleration of 3 kg is 2a now. 2 into g by 13. 2g by 13. If you substitute this a value in tension, any one of the equation, you will get T1 and T2. That means tension in first string we will get, tension in second string we will get. Simple problem. Do it. See children, this problem is also very simple. This is a fixed pulley, this is fixed pulley, this is movable pulley. Now find the tension and acceleration of the string. How many tensions are present? First of all, try to understand. See this here, M is here. If you open umbrella, tension will be in this direction. If you sit on this pulley and if you open umbrella, tension will be in this direction. Tension is same, so string is same, tension is same, all the direction tension is same. This is all same string. One end of the string is fixed here, another end is suspended over a pulley and it is hanged to mass M. If it is tension T, this will be definitely 2T. Why? Because double the tension, string changes, tension also changes. Any doubt, children? This is what movable pulley. Movable pulley, what is the acceleration of movable pulley? Acceleration is equal to a1 plus a2 by 2. This is the formula. Acceleration of the pulley is accelerating downwards. So all are in downwards. So you take negative or positive, no issue. Minus will be cancelled. If you get minus this one, minus this one, minus this one. If you take minus common and cancel, all will be positive only. If all are negative, no need to take. So acceleration of the pulley, let it be acceleration of the pulley A is equal to A1. A1 means acceleration of this string. A1 is equal to 0. Why? Because it is fixed here. A2 is sliding downwards. Let us consider A2 is equal to A. What will happen? Acceleration of a mass. Otherwise, acceleration of this one. A2 is equal to A. What will happen? See. Now, 0 plus A by 2. acceleration of the pulley is equal to a by 2, a is equal to 2 into ap. Same scenario, acceleration of the pulley, if you consider it as a, then acceleration of second body will be 2a. This is a, if it goes a acceleration in this direction, this comes with the 2a acceleration downwards. That means mass a sliding 2a acceleration, 2a meter per second square acceleration downwards. This pulley is going a acceleration forward direction, this is 2a downwards. Now what will happen? Free body diagram we will write. Then same story like previous problems, FBD of free body diagram for capital M. Now see children, what is the weight of this body? Center to downwards, mg. It is sliding downwards. This is greater force, this is lower force. So F net is equal to what formula? M net into A. F net what? Mg minus T is equal to M. Capital M into A is 2A. This is equation number 1. Now this formula, FBD of free body diagram of 2M. 2M is not a free body, just make it 2M. This is 2M. Then what will happen? This is the capital M. Mg downwards, T upwards. Here 2M. 2M only tension is in this direction. T F is equal to MA. T is equal to M. 2M into A. Acceleration of the pulley is A. 2M into A. This is equation number 2. Solve these two, you will get the answer. Simple. 1 plus 2 you do. Mg minus T is equal to 2MA. Understand children? Very simple. Very simple. See once. Any doubts? See children. Here Mg minus T is equal to 2MA. T is equal to, not T, here 2T. 2T is equal to 2T is equal to 2 into M into A. Otherwise you can write T is equal to M into A. 2 to cancel, T is equal to MA. T is equal to MA. Then what will happen? T cancel. Mg is equal to 2M into A. M cancel. A is equal to T by 2. This is the acceleration of the total system. See this problem, children. This is what ceiling, this is fixed pulley, this is movable pulley. Two masses are suspended over a pulley. One is 2 kg, one is 3 kg. 3 kg is sliding down and 2 kg is going up. This pulley is coming downwards. 1 kg is going up. 1 kg and pulley is attached with the same string. So the acceleration of pulley is equal to acceleration of 1 kg. If it is AP, this is also AP. Acceleration of 2 kg is going up and acceleration of 3 kg is coming down. Tension, if string same, tension same. So let us consider the tension in first string is T1, tension in second string is 2T1. Why? Because T1 plus T2, this total tension is also acts on this string. So 2T1. Now first find the acceleration of the pulley. Acceleration of the pulley, what is the formula? A1 plus A2 by 2. This is the acceleration of the movable pulley. Pulley is coming down. So minus AP is equal to A1 goes up. Up means positive A1. A2 is going down, so negative minus A2 by 2. Let this is equation number 1. This is the relation between acceleration of the pulley, first acceleration and second acceleration. Any doubt, children? Now see, children, one by one, this is what weight acting downwards, 1g. So it is going up. So if you make free body diagram, greater force is 2T1 minus lower force is Tg. FBD of 1 kg, FBD of 1 kg. How to do 1 kg FBD? 2T1 minus G is equal to upward force, F net is equal to MA. A greater force minus lower force is equal to M into M is 1 into A, acceleration of pulley. This is equation number 2. Any doubt? 2T minus G is equal to 1 into A. Now make 3 kg as free diagram, FBD of 3 kg. FBD of 3 kg diagram. Weight 3g downwards. Make it free. 3 kg. 3g downwards. Tension T1 upwards. So in which direction it is sliding? Downward. In downward direction it is sliding. Then what is the equation? Tell me, children. 3g. 3g is downwards, sliding downwards. Net force 3g minus T1. 3g minus T1 is equal to MA. M is 3 into A is nothing but A2. This is equation number 2. Now equation number 3. FBD diagram of 2 kg. This 2 kg. 2 kg, 2g downwards. It is going up. So T1 minus 2g. Free body diagram. Greater force minus lower force. T1 minus 2g is equal to MA, 2 into A1. This is equation number 3. If you solve these three, you will get a tension T1, tension T2, then after A1, A2, A3, all we will find. First of all, note down up to here, T minus 2g is equal to 2A. These three equations I will write once again here. Can I rub this board? Right. See, children, first of all I am finding the relation between these two. If you add these two, T1 gets cancelled. 2 plus 3 I am doing 2 plus 3. 3g minus T1 is equal to 3A2. T1 minus 2g is equal to 2A1. Add these two, T1 gets cancelled. 3g minus 2g, 1g is equal to 3A2 plus 2A1. 3A2 plus 2A1. This is equation number 4. Equation number 4. This is equation number 3. 3, 4 if you solve, you will get the answer. 3, 4 values. Acceleration of the pulley. Acceleration of the pulley value we know. A1 minus A2 by 2. And acceleration relation between 3A2 and 3A2 plus 2A1 is equal to 2g. Now we will solve this. Now simplify these two, children. From this AP is equal to what will happen? 2T1 minus g. Substitute 2 in 1. AP value minus of 2T1 minus g is equal to A1 minus A2 by 2. So cross multiply, minus of minus 4T1 minus into minus plus 2g is equal to A1 minus A2. Here we got 3A2 plus 2A1. So 3A2 plus 2A1, 4T1, this is equation number, let us consider 5. Now some more simplification. G value also we got minus 4t1 plus 2 into G value 3a2 plus 2a1 is equal to a1 minus a2. Minus 4t1 plus 6a2 plus 4a1 is equal to a1 minus a2. Now minus a2 comes this side, 7a2 plus 3a1 is equal to 4t1. Now we got relations in t1. Now 7a2 plus 3a1 is equal to 4t1. Now this is another relation, equation 6. If you simplify these two, if you simplify all these, you will get values. So simply substitute t1 is equal to 2a1 plus g. Here substitute 2a1 plus g, then you will simplify these two, you will get the answers. See children, if you simplify all these equations, you will get t1 value, t2 value and acceleration value. This is the way of finding mobile pulley problems. Any doubt, you simplify it. I did not simplify a1 value only, I got it. Remaining values you simplify it. Any doubts, write in comment section. Practice this very carefully. If you get equations, simplification will be very easy. Any doubts, write in comment section. Practice once. All the best. God bless you.